What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa, and today got all the boys watching this. You know, my audience, as you guys know, you probably noticed it's all dudes. There's only like a few girls that watch my videos. Sometimes Robbie, not a lot. My mom, once in a while, hi mom. And then, yeah, like my aunts and stuff. So if you're family, sorry, this is some guy talk right now, all right? These are 7 masculine hygiene tips that you need to know to look your best, to feel good, to manly. So let's get started. And the first one is applying powder to your crotch area, especially before like a workout or a really warm summer day, because you know, it gets a little sticky, you can get a little sweaty, hot, and that's a hot mess, man. That doesn't feel good, doesn't smell good. You don't want that, right? So applying powder, there are actually many brands that have that, is night and day. Like, it just makes you feel so much better. It makes you feel dry, it makes you feel good to go, like you're not like sticky. I'm telling you, I know it sounds a little weird, but once you do it, it's like, oh, all right, I feel like a new man. I remember when I first heard about this, I'm like, there's no way. I'm not putting that. Nah. And then when I did it, I was like, all right, there's no way I'm not doing that and working out on a hot summer day. So it's like a necessity. The second thing is actually more of a hack that I have for you guys, and that is applying antiperspirant at night. But Alex, what do you mean at night? I'm going to bed. I don't need to not sweat at night. Yeah, but the antiperspirant is actually going to clog up your pores at night when you're sleeping, so that way the next day you will sweat way less, and that's going to be way more beneficial for you. So what I would recommend, apply antiperspirant at night, and then the next day you can always just top it off with a little bit more, and that is it. I'm telling you, it is a big difference. So start applying it at night before you go to bed. The next tip is something that I wish I started doing way sooner, and I did not, because I didn't think was manly, but in reality, number 3, skincare is manly. It is manly. You know why? Because having a consistent skincare routine is going to make your skin look so much better. Like if you have pimples, acne, breakouts, zits, blackheads, we don't want that. Yeah, we want you to feel your absolute best every time you look in the mirror, every time you shake somebody's hands. I don't want them to look at a zit. I want them to look at you and be like, wow, this is a good looking guy right here, man. Props. He takes care of himself. That's what's up. It's manly to do skincare. It's manly to take care of yourself. You don't have to go crazy, but a basic skincare routine is a must nowadays. This is like basic level stuff. And that's where Apricus Skincare comes in. This is everything that you need to have a first grade skincare routine. Just 3 products. Keeping it super easy for you guys. First, we have the face wash. The face wash is this guy right here. And what you do is you use it twice a day. You use a face wash in the morning before you start your day, and then you use it at night when you're ready to hit the bed. The point of the face wash is to get rid of dirt and gunk and anything else that's on your face, and then also to get rid of any acne causing bacteria. After you cleanse your face, you apply the Apricus Skincare Lightweight Moisturizer. Now this is great because it's not sticky, it's not greasy, it's not oily. You apply it on and it immediately gets sucked up by your skin. It feels so nice. It makes you feel rehydrated, moisturized, and basically while the cleanser is going to remove all of those oils and dirt, the moisturizer is going to rehydrate your face and make you look soft, clear, moisturized. And you apply that moisturizer twice a day after you cleanse, morning and night. And then we have this little guy right here. Man, I love this product. This is the Exfoliating Scrub by Apricus Skincare. And I'm telling you, this makes your skin feel so nice. It just feels incredibly nice. Basically what an exfoliant does, what this does, is it has little beads of pumice and it scrubs away all of the dead, dirty skin cells that are on top of your face, and then it reveals brand new, clear, youthful skin cells, right? So you have it's like getting a brand new face, and it feels like it. You can literally feel it. And this product you only use 2 to 3 times a week because, like I said, it does scrub away. You don't want to scrub away the new skin cells, only the old one. So give it a few days for the skin cells to get older and then remove them. If you have dark circles, if you have acne, breakouts, if your skin does not look its best, I'm telling you, these 3 products, this is everything you need to get started. It's the basics: the face wash, the moisturizer, and the exfoliating scrub. Your skin will feel so much better. And when you look in the mirror and those pimples are gone, you'll be so thankful that you started a skincare routine. Guys, Apricus Skincare is finally out. Thank you so much for your support on this brand. It's the first link in the description below, and I cannot wait for you to get your hands on it so that your skin looks its absolute best. Thank you guys so much, like I said, First link below, apricotskincare.com. The next little hack that I have for you guys is, look, we tend to sweat more than girls usually, right? That's just how it goes. So like when we're at the gym, we tend to be pretty sweaty. Our clothes get stinky. I know that mine does. Like, it's just not a good look, not a good smell. So my tip to you guys is keep a car freshener or a dryer sheet in your gym bag. This is going to make your gym bag smell so much better. And you know, it's when we put like dirty shoes or socks or whatever in a gym bag and we close the bag, all of that is like, it's like fermenting in there. It just smells pretty bad, right? It becomes this like atomic bomb in there. And then when you open it, you're like, oh, wow, put that outside. Leave it outside for like a couple of hours, overnight. Just leave it outside overnight. I'll get it tomorrow. I don't want it in the house because the house is gonna smell horrible. Instead of doing all that, just put a car freshener or a dryer sheet in there. Very affordable, very easy to use. Just throw it in there, leave it in there, and then when you open it, of course it's still gonna smell a little bit, but way better. Way better. It's not an atomic bomb anymore. Your roommates will be happy, your parents will be happy. I don't know who lives with you, but they will thank you. Next up, something that is, I gotta say, probably life-changing. This is life-changing. Using wet wipes to wipe, you know, instead of using just toilet paper, right? It's just life-changing. Not much to say there besides it cleans better, it feels better, it smells better. We'll leave it at that. I mean, you know, there's not much else to be said. I think you guys are grown-ups. You get the vibe. Like, wet wipes, way better than toilet paper. Go get it. Oh man, I love this video so much. I haven't laughed like this in a video in a while. Next up is Control Z Bush. Man, you know, if you're still like rocking the Amazon forest, it's time to trim it down. It's time, like, you got to be able to even see your tool. And if it's, you know, you can't even see it at that point. Like, come on, man, you got to bring it down. You got to make sure that it's tidy. For you, of course, to make sure that it's clean, to make sure that it looks good, but also for other people, for your partner, you know, make sure to trim it according to their preferences as well. Highly recommend you get a trimmer and you only use it for that, so you're not, you know, doing this. That's not good. Probably not very clean to do that. So get a trimmer that is only for below the neck area, only for manscaping, only for the grooming below the neck. And of course, us guys, you know, sometimes we think that pampering ourselves is not very manly. Like, I'm not going to a spa, I'm not doing this. In reality, we all need to get pampered, man. We all need to have some fun, we all need to relax, and we all want to look good. So getting your nails done professionally is the next tip that I have for you guys. Once in a while, just once in a while. Like, I go, honestly, once every 6 months. I probably should go more. Robbie's always like, let's go get our nails done, and I just say no, but I should. Every 2 months would be great because it looks better, it feels nice, and it is a way to pamper yourself and to be like, you know what, yeah, I feel good. Like, they look way better than when I trim myself, right? So highly recommend get your nails done professionally once in a while because it looks so much better. Plus, yo, dirty nails are nasty, man. They're nasty, so make sure to take care of that. And guys, make sure to go to apricotskincare.com. It's that first link below. Get your apricots, you get 20% off right now. And guess what? This is all you need to get started. It's all you need. We made it very easy, very simple to get started. It's not complicated. This will make your skin better. That's it, period. Go give it a shot. It's that first link below. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. It makes, yeah, it was a funny video. It was fun for me anyway. Hopefully you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.